So first of all, very good evening everyone.
Evening, sir.
So what we are going to discuss today? So today we are going to discuss our topic solar energy. Okay. So first of all, welcome to Spoken English by Sambhav Jain, and I am a Sambhav Jain Spoken English tutor and trainer. So let's begin the topic solar energy. Okay. So first I will ask about the solar energy. So what is solar energy? Who will start? Okay. Pardi, you will tell about what is solar energy.
Solar energy is that thing that we get from the sun, which is very important to us. Like uh, solar energy is so important because we uses solar panels with the help of solar energy, because nowadays electricity is so costly and so many people uses solar energy. Like in villages also, like in a place where so many things are not available, so there the people uses solar energy. Like in the farms, people uses solar energies. That is so important for them, because in the two.
Actually, I want to means just like I want to that just you have to tell about the what is the actual meaning of solar energy.
Like solar energy, something which we get from sun, means the sun rays when it comes to a solar panel, so it generates electricity. So solar energy is something which comes from sun.
That's so Ayush, just can you please tell me the five equipments of solar energy?
Yes, sir. I can tell you five instruments of solar energy. So first of all, I want to tell you about solar cooker. It is a cooker type of thing that cooks food by using solar energy. And second, solar panel. Solar panel is a panel. When the sun rays hit this panel, it absorbs the sunlight and its energy and create it to our electric energy. And third is about solar panel farms. It is a type of farms.
Done by the solar energy. Okay. Yes, Raj. Oh, sorry. Harsh, you will tell.
Sir, I don't know.
Okay. Samyak, you don't have any idea about it. So why we are discussing solar energy? Harshit.
Uh, just Ayush said two equipments. So next three are uh, just like a toy car. There is a toy car of solar energy that is run by solar energy, and
There are lots of equipments run by the solar, just like solar cars, solar bikes, solar just like solar lamps, solar solar lamps already I included, solar chargers, solar battery, solar torches, so many things available, solar motors, solar watch. So lots of the things are available like solar energy. Okay. So just next I am asking to Divyans, what are the advantages of solar energy?
So if we use solar energy, so we can reduce our electricity bills and our pollution, and we can save our nature, and we can save our nature, and it's very it's price not costly.
Tell me the some advantages of solar energy. Yes, Raj.
So first I want to tell you what is solar energy. So solar energy is the type of energy which is obtained by sunlight, and it take sunlight energy to and there are many advantages, like if there is a solar panel on our home roof or terrace, so it is good, because because and because it will reduce our electricity bills, but it doesn't work in night.
So next I am asking to hers. So what do you think about the future of solar energy?
So according to me, the future of solar energy will be very good, and there are so many advantages of solar energy. And we all know that in a previous time, farmers need energy to use borewell, but but there is no lot of electricity in previous time. So the people some person was made a solar energy, and they use solar energy in afternoon or morning when sun rises, and then they make electricity, and they don't afford the bill of electricity. So this is the second reason they make a solar panel.
Next, Paridhi, you will add, is there any disadvantages of solar energy?
According to me, there is no advantages of disadvantages of solar energy, but there can be some disadvantages, like while making solar panel. So they are made in factories, so it produces so much pollution.
So Tejal, what do you think about solar lamp? So you have to describe the solar lamp concept. Means what is solar lamp? Means how they work.
Like solar lamps work through the when it gets the rays of sun, so it absorbs the energy of that rays, so which called the solar energy, so it converts into a electricity and it start glowing. So there are many ways by which we can make solar lamps, but one of the easiest way to make a solar lamp that by using a solar panel.
So next we are inviting some other students. Okay, you can go at your seat. Okay, next come. Other students, please come. We will discuss this topic in detail. Yes, Aradhya Manvi, please come. Rest of the students, please come. Yes. So Shrey, means what do you think about the future of solar energy? Come here.
So, in my opinion, the future of solar energy is bright because we are seeing the many pupils are using solar energy on the daily basis or at their home, and it is very useful for them because it just reduce the electricity bills, and means there is a means first we have, means it is a low maintenance things, and there is a and everyone can use it at anywhere.
What do you think about the future of solar energy?
Future of solar energy. Future of solar energy is a very important because nowadays we are seeing many people preferring solar energy. Very good, and we save our money, and because I save our money for electricity.
Actually, do you know about the renewable energy and non-renewable energy? So, which type of energy is solar energy? Renewable or non-renewable? Harshit. Which type of solar energy is renewable or non-renewable? Yes, sir.
Non-renewable.
Non-renewable. Okay. So, means what do you think about the non-renewable energy sources like solar energy?
Actually, sir, I do not know.
Manvi, just you don't know about the idea of bind energy like that.
Like solar panels, they also
Solar
like wind vane, they also get energy by natural resources like air. It is also very useful and also very useful. Solar panel get energy by sun, and they get energy wind, and produce electricity.
Manvi, what do you think about the future of solar energy in our country?
My opinion, in our country, future of solar energy is very good because in nowadays technology is very developed and everything is expensive. Solar energy is very good because there are a lot of people who are not afford electricity. They use solar energy. They're making produce.
Actually, I am asking to Aradhya. Solar energy installation is very costly nowadays. So, what do you think about it?
Sir, I think because it is so much costly, because nowadays it is like we all are not purchasing it, but we have started to purchasing it. And while we are getting it, means in each of the houses we are finding these solar panels or solar any of the solar energy. So I think they will be less costly than as compared to today's cost of that. So I think it's just because of that we are not using them most, but so that's why they are means cost is very high, but when we will start buying them very much, so I think their cost will be less, and they will be more affordable for everyone.
So I want to tell the future of solar energy. So future of solar energy is not so far, and because it is now times many places you are solar energy is using like solar panels to generate their electricity. But but like small appliances like solar bulbs, solar streets light, and etc. Are small, so they can damage fastly. So our country, and our country is not developed, so not so developed, so means we have our country have to take the take time to make the best solar appliances.
Now, let's talk about the future of solar energy. The future of solar energy will be very good for everyone, and it will be also good for all the Indians and our country India, because many of the people are now preferring the solar energy to recharge their car and use electric things like air conditioner, refrigerator, and other things. But the in the country India have to develop the solar energy appliances. That's
My opinion, it is right that solar energy is our future, and we can develop our country with this. As we know that solar energy is produced by mostly solar panels, and nowadays so many people are preferring this to reduce the bill of electricity, and it also saves energy. Like we can do a lot of works of home with the help of this. Like as we know that it generates electricity with the help of sunlight. And if we talk about the disadvantages of solar energy, so in my opinion that it, as we know that it works at night, so in the night we can't use this, but it's also good for us. It is right.
The future of solar energy is not far, because in nowadays in every home and big industries the solar panels are installed, and used in daily ways. And for example, like highway, on highway, the road light are charge on day, and glow in night.
So let's talk about future of solar energy. Solar energy is very helpful for everyone because it produced energy to solar panels, and solar panel produced electricity, and it is helpful for farmers and highways and big industries. The future of solar energy is no very far, because in future will get we will get solar panels and other solar energy items at every homes and farms. By the solar energy items, the electricity will also be stored, because by the solar energy many items will work, like solar panels, solar cars, etc.
So I agree with everyone, and mostly Harshad, because he said that one disadvantages of solar panels is that they do not give light at night. So now we want to finish our video here and give, and if you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe our channel, and also give your suggestion on this topic.